Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you an overview of this, which makes something that looks like this. So this is a beverage retractable shelf. The reason I want to share this with you is because this company reached out to me. They said, Ryan, can you please give us one of your detailed overview and honest reviews of our beverage retractable shelf? And who am I? Who am I to say no? So let me share with you exactly what this is, and just want to preface this by saying absolutely no way whatsoever will this product being given to me impact positively or negatively my review. So what do you all get? You get two sets of these. You get this one, and then you get this other one, which I have already assembled, that looks like this. Now, how easy is it to assemble? Pretty simple. I'll give the company that this is about as simple as it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're done. But I'm gonna share how it exactly works. Let's change the camera and share this right here. So this is one of the two. And first thing I wanna mention is this is, can be changed in the size. So you have basically your standard drink size, which looks like this, which looks like this. But then if you have like the taller cans or even bottles, it will accept those up to about 8.5 inches. So this is about 8.5 inches, and then closed right at, I always have to get the tape measure out, about 5.5, but really 5 3/8 is gonna fit. Then this way, inside, you're looking at a little over a foot. But that doesn't really matter inside after we put this all together and how it really, this all kind of measures up. So let's put this thing together and really kind of cover why you might want to have one of these in your refrigerator or where you keep liquid refreshment. So you have these two pieces. They go in snap, snap. And then this snaps like this. There's only one way it will go. Snap, snap. And then you have this here. Line up these holes, snap it in, and that's it. You can expand it or contract it based on your drink size. Total height, length, and width. So total width in this situation, again, about 6.5 inches. Total expanded is about 9 1/4. And then depth as it would be going into a refrigerator, basically this way. You're looking at, well, let's look at the bottom here. You're looking at right at 14 inches. And then height, which doesn't include the drinks, is 6.5. But if you did have cans, because that's what's really important to make sure it fits, you're looking at a total height as far as your shelf space right at 8 inches. So 8 inches basically going up this way to slide into a shelf. So 8 inches this way, and then what did I say? 16. 14 this way. Now, why is this measurement so critically important? So have you ever gotten these boxes and you're like, oh, they're like fridge, they'll fit in the fridge just perfect. Well, if you have what's called a counter depth refrigerator that's not as deep, if you have one, you know exactly what I'm talking about. These, my friends, do not fit. It's like, comes like right here. These fit like a glove. And so when these go into a counter depth fridge, which is what I'm showing you in this video, these fit in just perfectly. They come right up to the edge of the shelf, the door is closed, everything is perfect. Now, if you have one of these, how does it really work? It's pretty simple. You have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cans in this example. 9 cans will be held in this. Well, you get 2 of these, depending on, and there might be a couple different options as far as the item listing is concerned, but you're looking at 9 plus 9, so you're looking at 18 total drinks if you want to have them in there side by side. If you just wanted to have 2 of these, but depending on how much you drink, as far as cans or whatever your drink is concerned, you could have a bunch of these in your fridge, really make best use of your space. Pretty cool though. You just take the one out of the bottom, and it keeps it going. It just keeps it going because there's a slight tilt to it. You know, so you have that convenience of just being able to grab this and go, and you're not having to like reach into a box or whatever it is, or fight for whatever is going on. And these fit perfectly in a counter depth refrigerator. Now, if you have a regular size refrigerator, that's fine. You're just gonna have a little bit more space on the front or the back. But as you can see in this video, counter depth is where it's at. If you were to put these side by side, just like this, based on your refrigerator size and your shelf space, again, just doing some quick math, you're looking at about 13 inches this way as far as the width concerned. So this is the most important, measurement. So 8 inches tall, and then the depth, because again, you're gonna have this in there. So if you need to squeak some drinks in there, you definitely can as far as your refrigerator space and all that is concerned. If you're looking for something that will hold 9 drinks times 2, 18, the measurements fit the space you have in the refrigerator where you're looking to store these things. You like the convenience of being able to just kind of load it, and it's just it's automatically gonna cycle through. And more importantly, if you change flavors from an expiration date, if you don't drink your drinks that often, you always know what's gonna expire is always gonna be the last to be rolling out. And just from a quality standpoint, this is a pretty stout. This is a pretty stout, heavy duty, hard plastic, and it does come with these rubber feet because the refrigerator can get kind of cool and kind of slick. And so this is going to prevent this from actually sliding in your refrigerator. Hopefully that answers any questions you might have about this beverage retractable shelf, and we'll talk to you soon.